LandCruiser interior set, ready stock. This is what you need to change from 2008, 2012, 13, 14. You want to make it like 2018 interior. This is the original parts that you need. That's a gear selector, 4x4 drive selector, that compartments, ashtrays, AC grills, all that center console trims, you need that. Thank you for watching. The items right now ready stock, ready in stock. LandCruiser 2018 conversion. From 2008 onwards, you want to change your interior. This is the interior here. Okay, that's a black interior. We can get you beige as well. That's original. It's a genuine parts. All right. Even the cup holder included.